Hey besties, it's Becca. In today's video, we are trying the 4-in-1 blow dryer by Chi. You guys know I love using Chi. Use their hair protecting spray. I have a bunch of their heat tools. Almost every company that has hot tools, they most likely will have the blowout brush. I've never done it before. I've never blow dried my hair with like an actual brush and did it myself. I just feel like it's a lot of work. So this is gonna be a first time trying it on my hair. My hair is like, I guess short. It's like, I don't know, would you say it's like medium length? My mom got the blowout brush, one of them from like Amazon. I can't remember the brand, but she's obsessed with it. She loves it. It's like her favorite thing. And I suggested it to her because I mean, it was like this big talk about the blowout brush. This 4-in-1 brush actually reduces frizz and it actually helps to have shine in your hair and flyaways. I have a huge frizz problem being a blonde. And I feel like everyone that dyes their hair can really relate to having kind of like frizzy hair, unless you have flipping like virgin hair. Congrats to you, girlfriend. But we, as besties on here, majority of us dye our hair and we have damaged hair, so we try to cover it up. It locks in moisture and it maintains the shape of when you're applying the brush to your hair. You have a 2-year warranty, which is amazing because we love a good warranty, girlfriend, okay? Oh my God, I always get a warranty on those flipping vacuums because you never know when those are gonna break. And I have a husky dog. It comes with like 3 pieces here. And then it also has like the other piece that you actually blow dry, which is nice to have like a multi-purpose blow dryer. The ones that I've seen only come with this end and that's it. So it's nice that she actually included like other pieces. Do you guys love my lashes? I don't know if they're on properly. We are just ratchet on here and we just pop them on. I did use dual glue. I find that works the best, dual glue. I would like to get the clear dual glue instead of the black dual glue because I find you have to put eyeliner on if you're using the black dual glue. But these lashes are from Dollar Tree. Guys, I'm telling you, it's the best lashes I have ever put on. Not like I have experience with a lot of lashes, but I've seen a lot of people use the Ioni lashes from Dollar Tree. And they always say 10 out of 10. It's like compared to MAC lashes, even better. They're like the best of the best. But this Chi box was $109.99, which is kind of expensive. Okay. Nice. Very sleek looking. It looks like, oh, this is how you remove the brushes or whatever you want to use. Wow. And I guess you just pop it on there. Hold on. Okay. Wow. Okay. There's some plastic in there attached to the bristles. We don't want that melting into our head. Gee, it's the last thing I want. And it also has a swirl cord. Say that 10 times fast.
Swirl cord, swirl.
Then we have this end, which I'm pretty sure is for more volumizing. So like, if you want more volume, if you have thinner hair, it'll give you more of like textured hair. It comes with an end that you can just blow dry your hair. Wow, impressed. Comes with a hairbrush. I am very curious about that. Let's try the brush one first. And that's pretty cool, look at that. It's like fancy, it feels so bougie. Okay, so I'm gonna unravel it. Bear with me, besties. I just noticed that it has a cool, low, and high setting, and then the off, which is right there. And you just basically turn it to the setting that you want. Very convenient. I love that. It's like straightening your hair. I think I did a pretty great job. I'm pretty impressed. I'm like kind of shocked. I've never used like a blow dryer hairbrush, so this is like very new to me to see how great it turned. I totally love this end. This is like, it feels like someone straightened my hair. That's what it almost did a better job than straightening my hair. Like at the top here. Wow. And I have like really thick hair, guys, so this was fast too. How long did that even take me? Like 2 minutes to do this one side? Wow.
I got it.
I'm curious to what this thing does, but I'm pretty sure it's to make volume. And we just click it on like that. Wow. Wow. It's like some back massager. I'm dead. Are you doing mommy's hair? You can be just like your mama. She's so cute, I love her. Look at the camera. So I feel like for this end, it's more for like if you have gel in your hair maybe and you want to put more like waves in your hair, more texturized, more volume, more beachy waves, not so like, listen, I did my hair for an hour and I blow dried it. This is more of like a natural look, I feel. It's kind of like, honestly, I feel like this would be great for someone that has short hair. Let's get to the brush because I'm excited to try that end. I give this a 5 out of 10. I mean, if I had gel in my hair, sure, but I don't have gel in my hair, so, and it takes a bit longer. The end that everyone's probably waiting for, because I have been waiting for, and start, should I do my bangs first? Because they're drying really fast. I might have to re-wet them. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? There's no frizz. I'm dead. amazing how this hair dryer got my hair this straight and no frizz. Like, look at my bangs. This is exactly why I cut my own bangs, because a lot of hairstylists, I ask for the side sweep and they give me bangs straight across. Blown away how fantastic this worked. Like, just blow drying your hair. Now I know why people blow dry their hair. I rate this blow dryer literally 10 out of 10. You have me obsessed. You have me in love. I recommend to my besties. I love it. This is amazing. I definitely recommend this blow dryer. Let's see what my mom says about it, if she wants it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, only if you truly like the video. And hit subscribe because we post content all the time, at least like 3 times a week. And we have a bunch of besties on here, women who support other women. And I'm pregnant. So we have a lot of pregnant moms on here. We like to support as well, okay? We got a lot of single moms on here. We have everything on here, okay? We have besties. We just have it all. And we all love you. I love you. It's like the friends that I've never had. Seriously, you guys mean so much to me. And I appreciate every one of you guys. I love chit-chatting with you guys. It literally makes my day. I love talking to you guys. Like, every time I post a video, I'm like, what are my besties gonna say today? But I hope to see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye, guys.